Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Wow, what a ending to the spring semester and what a start to summer of 2020. Who would have guessed that this could have ever happened? Clearly a black swan event. Running a little behind in getting this out there for you, but everyone here is enrolled in an internship for academic credit. So you are doing an internship. You're one of the many lucky ones whose internship has not been canceled. So congratulations on that. I know they've all been modified. So on a lot of things, we're going to have to make some decisions, if you will, on the fly. We'll have to try to figure some of this out as we go. So don't worry about it. Everything is workable. So I would like to walk through what we're going to do with the syllabus, and it is out there. The first thing is, obviously, you're trying to build your skills. So you've learned some things in school, and now you're applying them in the real world. That is outstanding. You're getting an opportunity to experience what business is firsthand in the middle of a pandemic, a black swan event. It will help you identify your strongest skills, but you'll see the skills that are needed for the future in the post-COVID-19 workforce. I think it's going to distinguish you from others when you apply for jobs when you graduate, and thus improving your hireability, if you will. I think it's going to build a lot of your skills, analytical, quantitative skills, but you're going to be exposed to new cultures, environments, and ideas within this concept of a broad liberal education. Now, you can read all this of why it's important and what it does, but how will the process run? There's really just four things. Your most important one is your field supervisor will evaluate your work. Okay? Career Services will send out an evaluation, or you can use the one that if your firm uses a form themselves for evaluating, we can use that too. And that'll be sent towards the end of the internship by Career Services. So that's the bulk. How will the employer evaluate you? Well, what they're going to do is compare you to someone that they would hire as an entry-level person. And it's on a scale of 1 to 5. Do not meet, meet some, meets most, meets expectations, exceeds. So they're comparing you to a new hire. And it's in the area of academic preparation, communication, ability to plan, organize, and prioritize work, ability to make decisions and solve problems, ability to obtain information, analyze data, teamwork, technology, work environment. Do you understand the culture? How do you fit? So that will give you, this is the bulk of what is going to constitute your grade. And that's 58%. The next 12 is weekly reflections. Now, one of the things around this is oftentimes we do things and we never stop to think or reflect back on what did we learn? What progress did you make on your goals, your learning goals that you set? So it's a reflection. So it's about you. Do it weekly. If you've already been working for a couple weeks, just do one that summarizes it. I'm figuring around 12 journals, but don't. If you're doing them regularly from now till whenever your internship is over, we'll be fine. Okay. Asking yourself the question: what did you learn? Subject matter or skill. What success did you have within context of what you did? And it can be simple things, but we got to reflect on what we did well. Next thing is, what will you do better next week or different in the coming up week? What do you hope to achieve next week? What do you want to get done? And then respond to any comments or questions that I may pose to you over the semester. I think you should take a look at one of your learning objectives each week. How long should it be? Well, just right. Not too long, not too short. And if you start reflecting, and you can do it in writing, or if you want to do an audio recording, or if you're in a car driving, or you just want to pick up your phone and talk about it, you're welcome to do that too. We're very flexible on this. But the key is for you to reflect on what you're learning. What can I do better? Okay? And that you do as you go along. The next thing is I set up this is 12. Okay, there you go, 12. Next one is a discussion forum. And what I've done is I've taken 4 things. If you've taken the internship before, some of them there are separate ones here, questions, but the concept is the same. Getting started, mission, vision, and core values, effective business communication. This one will probably be revised. I put the old one out there. And then the last one is the summer of COVID-19 in your future. If you're taking organizational behavior with me, or either of the finance classes, this is a key thing. So we're going to take a look at that and how it has impacted the workforce. So this goes through how the grading is. It's worth 4 points each one. And that you want to do when you're going along. If you look at the dates, I put the weekly dates in there. These are guidelines. I don't want you to wait till the end to do it. But if it's a day or so around there, that's fine too. Next one is at the end of the semester. We're going to do an oral presentation. Now, we might have other faculty, fellow interns, or sponsors there, but it's a presentation discussion. You should use PowerPoint or Prezi or other software. So you and I will talk and have a discussion, okay? And we'll record it, and hopefully that discussion will be used to update Module 1, 2, and 3 as we move forward. And that'll be 14%. I'm optimistic you could either do it virtually, online, or when you return in the fall. I hope you'd want to do a video and we can have a dialogue on that. It's your choice. Here's the dates. And this is just what you got going out there. If you got any questions, please let me know. Key thing is this is what you're going to be evaluated on, 58%. Weekly reflections, discussion forum, and then your final oral report, which hopefully we can do in real time here on Zoom or whatever else we have. If you have any questions, please let me know. Welcome to summer 2020. I'm sure it'll be an interesting time for all of us.